What's up, man? Again, Marvin Bengals. So today we're having a recipe. A Sophia's fun. Everyone. Oh, it's kind of bad. Wow. Yeah, I always saw that. Wow, it's fun. How is rain always stopped and starts? Because the wind did. Alright, we'll check out my roof, okay? Is my room alright? Alright, it's kind of bad out here. Guys, check out. Oh, wow. Guys, look at that. It's kind of bad out here. Alright. Oof, what? So what orange today? Like, slight. What? Ooh. Bella. Oh my gosh. Alright, Bella, get out. Thank you. Just go. Bella, you don't like me, Bella. You feel scared, Bella. Just go. You're wasting time. Bella! No. It's not safe, Bella. No, you too, baby. Get out, office. Get out. Both of you. Bella, baby, stop. Okay? Mom, I didn't do anything to you. Whoa. Ooh. Wait, the window coming here.
Hey, leave the curtain alone.
Mom, I'm checking something.
I don't care.
Mom, just leave me alone.
I'm very annoyed.
No! Girl, come on. The light coming here? Ooh. I heard this one here. Ooh, look at that.
Whoa.
Is it raining? Ooh. What is that, guys? Whoa, what is it? So lightning. Alright, my dad's coming home now, and my brother. Oh. I think my dad get wet. I think he'll be scared. Wow. Again, storm? This morning, it's not that bad. Not bad, but it's just raining out. Kind of fun weekend this week. Oof. Everyone!
Let her go. Let my mom go. Let her go. Let me explain how this is going to work. No, nothing happened.
Listen to me.
Listen to me. This might be normal in your family, but it's not right. Your mom's going to need some help, and we can get it.
I'm your new coach. You'll address me as Coach Murphy.
red now. Ooh, it's red now. Can't even see. Wow. Look at my window, it's gonna have a lot of rain. Oh, do you have thunder? Ooh, look at that. I will fly soon. Ooh. Guys, look at that. I will have fun now. Hey, Mom, I got fun, Mom. The street's fun. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Mom, stop.
Okay, you cannot leave your windows when it's lightning. What
Look.
part of that do you not understand?
Mom, I just checked it out.
The
This.
thunder and lightning doesn't care what you're doing. God, that's dangerous too.
It's not. Look at that. What? Well,
Daddy's in the driveway. Just unlock the door. Leave it unlocked. Do not open it.
okay, I heard the first time. Alright, my dad's home now. Look at that. Alright, so my dad's home. Look at that. Guys, what a fun. Look at that. It's heavy rain.
Sorry, piece of shit quitters. Logan, Sanchez, this is on you. You don't belong on varsity. You're at the ball. Settle down, Alex. Next time I say take it up, you take it up. No back talk. Taking it up that early wasn't part of the race. It wasn't. I made the call. It's your job to follow Jack. You made the call. You trying to say, John, it's my fault we lost? Alex!
Oh, wow. Everyone, check it out, the flood. It's funny. Oof. Oh. Everyone, it's funny now. Look at a sidewalk. Oh, look at the trees. Look at that. Everyone, look at that.
This is a private conversation. He needs to leave. Chill, right? He's part of the team. I remember seeing him on the boat last season. It's okay. Just wait outside.
Oh, look at that. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, Mom, I got our house is flood, Mom. Oh my gosh, then it's gonna say, if like, comment, share, let's go. I'll send us for peace.